During automation projects, new requirements often occur. The ability to be able to easily change device type to meet those new requirements can be a huge time saver. Let me show you an example of this. As you can see, here's my current HMI, and the new requirement is we're going to go from a larger enclosure to a smaller one, which requires a smaller HMI. However, what if we can just take the current horizontal alignment, go to vertical, and keep the exact same graphical footprint? Well, in order to do this, what I need to do is go back to the actual hardware configuration section, right-click and click on Change Device. A dialog box pops up, and now we can choose the panel we want. Go to Comfort Panel, 9-inch, Comfort Portrait. Now it shows me the current and the new alignments. Click OK. So now it's going to actually populate that into the project itself. Here it is. What I want to do is go back and go Fit to Screen real quick. Now you can resize and refit these graphics, make them a little bit smaller, longer, taller, whatever you need to do. So now let me go grab the gauges here. Let me drag these back over. And now my HMI panel is ready to go. It only took me a matter of seconds, and now that's engineering efficiency.